Take the lid off. I was at the Sobeys earlier today. I got them to cut me a nice 2-inch rib steak, ribeye with the bone. Now I'm going to take my meat probe and go right into the center, Just like that. We're going to place it on the grill, on the cool side, the indirect side. So we have our hot zone, our indirect zone, which is not as hot. That's where we're reading at 235, 232, 235. As you can see, the probe grate there, or the grate probe. So, yeah, we'll pick back up in a minute when we're ready to flip this thing over. Well, a minute for you guys, maybe. Not for me. See you in a bit. One thing I forgot before I closed the lid. I forgot we're gonna add some hickory. That side is great. One chunk hickory. Just put it in there. Over top. It's okay to close it like that with your finger because you're just touching it for half a second, if that. Now we're gonna put the lid on it. We're just gonna wait maybe about a minute just to catch that piece of wood. Then we'll put the lid on it and let it do its thing. See you then. Okay, it's time to flip it. We fit 90 degrees internal. I'll show you in a second. We're sitting at 261 for the temp. Now let's just flip the probe around, flip the steak over, and there we go. Just like so. And there's the steak. We're at 95 internal right now. So we're gonna let this finish now to about 125-ish. Yeah, somewhere around 125. And then I'll show you how we set up the sear. Pick back up in a minute. Okay, we've hit an internal of 125. We've actually got a little bit over that now, to 127. You can see that. We're reading at 252 on the grate level. Put that down for you. Let's get this ready to sear now. So now you want to open your vent all the way wide open so that those coals can get nice and hot. I've also got a portable fan right here. Not expensive, cheap, bought it off of Amazon. I use this in order to get my coals going so I can get them nice and hot. Once I've got them nice and hot and up to temp, we'll pick back up so we can show you searing it. Okay, our coals are nice and hot. I'm going to remove the meat probe now. That's out. And I'm going to remove the grate probe now because we don't need it anymore. Out it comes. Now we're going to sear it off. I'm not wiping it dry. I'm not putting oil on it or nothing. Just going to put it right over top of the hot coals. We're going to do 30 seconds to a minute each side twice. So here we go. You can hear it sizzling. That's what you want to hear when you're searing. Let's flip it. You get the gist of it, how to sear it. I'm gonna finish this off, and we'll pick back up after this thing's rested. See you then. Okay, we're back just before I pull it off. We're searing it for the last time on the last side. I'll pick back up in about 30 seconds and show you us removing it. Okay, let's pull this off now. There we go. Now we're gonna let it rest for at least 5 minutes. That's what we're looking at when it comes right off the grill. Make sure you let it rest. Minimum 5 minutes, which we're gonna do now. Then we'll slice into it. Pick back up then. Okay, we've been resting for just over 5 minutes now. Let's slice into it, see what we're looking at. It should be nice and pink inside. Oh yeah, cooked nice. There we go. I don't know if you can see it with the lighting outside. It's just the daylight from the sun that's hitting it. Whoop, dropped one. Still good. It's cooked to perfection there. Let me get this spun around, pick you up for a taste of it. Okay, there's our piece. As you can see, let's give it a taste. Get a hint of that hickory. Very nice. Perfectly cooked. Well, you guys know what to do. Hit the subscribe and you'll see more of this. See y'all in the next one. Bye.